Lemon water is simply the juice of lemons mixed with water. Some people also choose to add lemon rind, mint leaf, honey, turmeric, or other ingredients. Lemon water has become a popular morning beverage, with people using it as a refreshing pick-me-up due to claims that it can boost energy levels and metabolism. Here are 6 ways your body may benefit from lemon water. Number 1. Help fight viral infections. Warm lemon water is the most effective way to diminish viral infections and their subsequent sore throats. Plus, with the lemon juice also boosting your immune system, you'll simultaneously fight off the infection completely. Number 2. It aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. Lemon juice not only encourages healthy digestion by loosening toxins in your digestive tract, it helps to relieve symptoms of indigestion such as heartburn, burping, and bloating. Number 3. It's a good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemons are high in vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke, and lower blood pressure. Number 4. It improves skin quality. The antioxidants in lemon juice help to not only decrease blemishes, but wrinkles too. It can also be applied to scars and age spots to reduce their appearance. Because it's detoxifying your blood, it will maintain your skin's radiance. Number 5. Reduce inflammation. If you drink lemon water on a regular basis, it will decrease the acidity in your body, which is where disease states occur. It removes uric acid in your joints, which is one of the main causes of inflammation. Number 6. It helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Drinking lemon water not only gets you citrate, but also the water you need to help prevent or flush out stones. How to make lemon water? In order to reap any health benefits of lemon water, you need to drink it consistently. And you need more than just a single wedge of lemon in your mug. When making lemon water, always use fresh lemons rather than artificial lemon from a bottle. To make lemon water, squeeze half a lemon into 8 ounces of warm or cold water. To make the drink as healthy as possible, use filtered water and organic lemons.